In a petition against the Industrial and Finance Corporation of India (IFCI), the Supreme Court granted 2 weeks' time to the Solicitor General of India to file an affidavit stating what action had been taken by the reconstituted board of IFCI and the Ministry of Finance. Prashant Bhushan, appearing for the petitioner, had stated that the report from the Registrar of Companies or ROC found irregularities under the Companies Act. Bhushan submitted that the ROC would itself lodge a prosecution in this regard. As there were allegations of fraud also, Bhushan submitted that the Reserve Bank of India would be impleaded. As of now, they were not a party to the case. The Solicitor General stated that according to the Union of India's affidavit filed on March 1, 2015, IFCI was inspected by the inspection officer and his report was that business was not being conducted on sound principles by the company. Accordingly, the board of IFCI was reconstituted. The Solicitor General sought time to file an affidavit as the matter had been referred to the Ministry of Finance. An Ahmedabad court refused to ban a book Feku Ji Have Dilli Ma or Feku is now in Delhi on the ground that it made fun of the promises made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his Lok Sabha campaign in 2014. The court held that the comments were the personal opinion of the author Jayesh Shah and banning the book on that basis would go against the right to freedom of expression enjoyed by him. The petitioner Narsingh Bhai Solanki had alleged that the book offended his sentiments and showed the Prime Minister and his government in poor light. The court, however, held that the book was in no way a threat to the unity and sovereignty of India, the prime reason for banning it. The plea was dismissed and the author and the publisher were given the go-ahead to sell the book. The Supreme Court deferred the hearing on triple talaq petitions to September 6th. It also observed that the court would have to determine whether it could adjudicate on Muslim personal laws in case it was found that these infringed upon the fundamental rights. It asked the centre to respond to petitions within 6 weeks. Earlier, a suo motu writ petition had been registered by the Supreme Court for considering the rights of Muslim women on marriage, divorce and maintenance and whether the current practices under the Muslim personal law regarding marriage, divorce and maintenance were violating Part 3 of the Constitution. A petition had also been filed by Shaira Banu alleging that the practices of talaq-e-bidat, nikah halala and polygamy under the Muslim personal laws were illegal and unconstitutional. The petitioner sought an order from the court to provide a life of dignity to Muslim women. An interim application was also filed by the Bharatiya Muslim Women Morcha seeking that the All India Muslim Personal Law Board be restrained from giving statements in the media as it was spreading rumours.